Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Fat Free Life with Dr. Neelam. I'm here to make you understand how to lose weight by using nutrients. So guys, I am Dr. Neelam and let's start with today's fat cutter drink. There is a way that you can really burn fat and drop kilos truly fast by having fat cutter drinks or detox juices in a trouble-free way. You can easily make this drink and it has been shown to help in a small amount of time if you drink it for a month or a week regularly. Just drink 1 glass of this juice before going to bed and you will reduce your fat level, especially your belly fat area. If you drink it every night and after waking up, if you'll do some workouts like cardio for 30 minutes, you will surely lose weight. Juice requires hardly any digestion, so all its nutritional goodness gets rapidly into your system while simultaneously giving your digestive system a rest. Green juices are power packed with nutrition. The greens produces chlorophyll which oxygenates in your body and you lose weight. Improves your bone and joints, immune system, better digestion, healthier skin, healthier hair, nails and more energy. All the ingredients used in this drink are all established to speed up your metabolism. Even in the sleep, your metabolism keeps running on high. The first ingredient in this juice is the coriander or the cilantro. It is antibacterial, antifungal. It has high dietary fiber, high level of antioxidant, and it improves your appetite. Relieves from many joint muscle toothaches, many pains, and provides you relief from stress and depression, promotes faster healing of the wounds, removes bad breath, treat hair loss, helps to improve sleep quality, and it helps majorly for weight loss. These are the nutrition value of per 100 gram of coriander. The next ingredient of this juice is cucumber, which helps in extreme weight loss. It is full of vitamins and it gives you tremendous amount of energy. It can be used topically to relieve sunburns and puffy eyes, a good source of fiber for promoting optimal digestion, contains the enzyme arypsin to helps the body to digest the protein, rich in magnesium and potassium to regulate blood pressure, full of silica to help prevent the heart diseases and to help immune system and make it strong. 1 cup of cucumber has so many nutrients, you see. The next ingredient of the juice is the lemon. Boosts your immune system with lots of vitamin C, helps digestion, cleanses the liver, has a calming effect on anxiety and promotes sleep for insomniac patients. Helps in healing canker sores and eases fever, diminishes the sore throat, helps acne, fights fatigue, helps the stability of the BP, helps bad breath and many more. So these are the nutrients of lemon. Next, the most important ingredient of the juice is the ginger. It reduces your appetite, helps in weight loss, heals ulcer, boosts immunity, improves diabetes. It is antifungal, reduces pain, fights cancer, and many more are there. This is the nutrient list of the ginger. I have already made a video on flax seeds and its benefits and how it helps in losing weight. So you just go and check that video. I'll just give link in the I bar or in the description box. So these are the nutrients. Next, the most important ingredient of the juice is the cinnamon. I have already made a video on the cinnamon and its benefits and how it loses weight. Just go and check that video on cinnamon. These are the nutrient values for the cinnamon. I've also made another video on detox juices. They are super healthy. They are extremely helpful in losing weight. If you really want to lose weight fast, you have to incorporate such detox juices in your diet in mid-morning meal or in the night. So let's start with the recipe. These are the cucumbers. You have to take small size cucumbers because they are very healthy for losing weight. The bigger size cucumbers have the pulp which creates acidity. So it's better to use the small baby cucumbers for your weight loss journey or for losing weight. So another thing, I took ginger and lemon, and this is the coriander. I have already told you everything about the cilantro, and it is extremely helpful in losing weight and to detox your body. So what we'll do, we'll just mix everything together and we'll add some superfoods, as if I will add flax seeds in it, and to make it more laxative. High amount of fiber will help you lose weight, and it will help you to detox your body. So you have to take not only the leaves, all the stems of the coriander. They are very important for losing weight. Just wash everything, and you don't have to peel the cucumber. Just use cucumber with the peel itself, and just half a lemon if you don't have any problem with the lemon, and half of the ginger, just 1 inch ginger, or you can use less also, but it is very important to use it. Now just take your grinder jar and just cut the cucumber into small pieces with the peel, and just add 2 spoons of flax seeds in that. It should be a raw flax seed, not the roasted one. To know the benefits of flax seeds, I have already told you. I have made a very nice video on it, and it is extremely helpful for losing weight and to keep your track clean. So just use it. Now I'm using pink Himalayan salt, as I'm making this juice for my bedtime, so I cannot have more salt content in my juice or in my food. So I'm using pink Himalayan salt. Just take according to your taste. And this is the next thing, which is a magical ingredient, and it is cinnamon. Cinnamon is very helpful in losing weight. You can also check my video on it. It is extremely helpful for take out everything, the fat and the toxins out of your body, and to lose weight. So just add half a spoon of cinnamon powder, and now you have to add your cilantro or coriander leaves with the stems, and you just have to make juice out of it. Now for making this detox juice, I need water, so I am taking 1 mug of full of water, and if you want, you can use less amount of water also. And now we'll just add this water to the jar, and now we'll grind everything together. And so now our fat cutter drink or detox juice for bedtime is ready. Now just add lemon to the juice according to your taste. If you don't like, you just add few drops. If you have throat problems, if you don't have any issue with the lemon, you can add up to half lemon juice to your drink, and see, your drink is ready. So guys, our fat cutter drink or detox juice is ready for my bedtime. So just I'll keep it in my fridge. I generally make this drink during my breakfast time because I don't get time in the evening to make this drink, and I don't want to miss this drink. So guys, if you like my video, just hit the like button, and just comment and share my video, and do subscribe my channel, and thank you so much. I have lost 25 kgs of weight by using these recipes and the right meal plans. Those I'll share in upcoming videos. Kindly subscribe to my channel, and you can also follow me on other social medias like Instagram, Twitter or Facebook. So guys, just comment down below in the comment section which video you want to see next. I'll make that video for you and you can ask any query.